Hello everybody. In this time, let's make this part sheet metal. So let's start. We create a new file. This we accept. Select this and draw escape. The measure is 7 inches and 14 inches, and we draw another square. We give dimensions. Here is 0.62 inches. Again, which is a sheet metal, and here is 0.06 inches. Now let's create a new stem. Here is 1.38, so select this. .38 inches. Select this edge and this and this. Select OK. And let's continue. Here is 0.62 inches. So 162 in. Select this edge, 0.62 inch. Select this, here, and here. Press OK. Now let's make a holes. Select this face, sketch, press key space, select this part and draw a line, construction line, escape. Again, another line. Here is OK. Let's move and let's draw 5 circles like this, like this, and press the key escape. Now this 5 circle we're going to make equal, so select this, press Ctrl and select. Here make equal and we give measures. Here is 0.065. Oh, sorry. Inches. So it's too big. We give 7 millimeters. That's fine. Now The distance here to here is, let's check, sorry, the diameter is 4.2, let's 4.22. So let's change this concept, 4.22, and the distance it's the width 1, it's 9.62. So let's change 9.62. I don't remember. It's 65. Now the next, the distance, it's, sorry, 9.62. No, sorry, it's 5. It's 69.85. And the next one, it's A4. It's 158.75. Next, it's A3, 247.65. And the last one, it's, sorry, A2, 336.55. The distance to this line, select this, delete here or here, it's 7.87. That's it. We make a symmetry. Select this, respect this line, accept, again, symmetry, select this, 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 and this, respect to this line. Now select sheet metal, cut, forward, accept, we finished our part. It was easy. Just we need to learn to write blueprints. So select this, and as you can see, here's the part of sheet metal that you must cut in some machine, for example a machine laser machine or plasma machine. So let's finish. See you.